Hi, Andy Nelson. People often ask, what is the difference between a trademark and a trade name? And sometimes people don't ask, they just use them interchangeably, which is not right. There is an actual difference between the two. So let's explore that. Trade name. Okay, a trade name is quite literally the legal name of a company. Okay, and you're often going to see classic markers afterwards like Inc. Incorporated, right? Corporation, same thing. LLC, it is just the legal name that is registered typically with the Secretary of State for a particular state. That's just the legal title or legal entity name, or sometimes you might hear it referred to as company name or legal name or trade name. Okay, the name of the company itself. Trademark is maybe words, but it could be logos or other distinctive things. But let's just stick with words for the moment, because that looks like a trade name too. But the trademark is used with goods and services. Okay, it's used to distinguish goods and services, identify the source of goods or services, and distinguish one source of goods or services from another. And you go, I'm still not getting it, Andy. Okay, well, they may often be the same or related because trade names are often incorporated or almost virtually identical with trademarks. Apple Inc. is the name of the company, the corporation we know that provides Apple branded products. Okay, not quite the same, very close, but sometimes they're completely different. I'll give you a great example, one I know here in California. There's a company that publicly does business as I'm forgetting it now. No, as Brothers and Arms. Okay, and it's kind of like Brothers in Arms, but Brothers and Arms. That's the trademark. Okay, but the name of the company is, at least the old name, I don't think it is anymore, but the LLC was a limited liability company. It was called Three Random Guys LLC. Okay, it's totally different. That's the legal name of the company. That's what's registered with the Secretary of State, but it publicly trades, okay, under different marks, and that in this case, Brothers and Arms. That's how their goods or services are distinguished from or by the public. Okay, so trade name, trademark, they may very well be the same thing or similar, but at the very least, you're going to have a difference typically, because even if the trademark, going back to Apple, that's the mark, but the name of the company is Apple Inc. Okay, you're not going to see that applied to the goods and services. You know that as the company, but the publicly facing marks are often going to be a bit different. Again, applied to goods and services, distinguishes, identifies a source of goods and services. The trade name is just the legal name of the company itself. If you have any questions about this video, shoot me a note, leave me a comment, and if somebody could or would benefit from knowing the difference between these two things, please share the video. Thanks a lot. Talk soon. Bye.